In this video, I would like to share the procedures to use the files in my report. After you fork and clone the report to your local computer, you can open the Visual Studio. Here I have already have my solution file open. The first thing I would like to do is go to this reference and check whether all the reference I need has already been added, as I mentioned in my README file. The next thing is to go to these properties and the build events to make sure whether this destination path is correct. I would recommend to use the Grasshopper library folder. After we finish this, we can hit the build solution. So here it shows the file has been built successfully and the compile file has been copied to its destination. So we can open our Rhino and open the Grasshopper. The first thing I would recommend to do is go to this special folder, component folder, to make sure whether the GHA file has been successfully copied. Like this Etabs 17 file is the file we just built. So as we can see from the screen, these three blue bubbles stands for the input. The first one is for the grid information. The second input is for the level elevation and level label. The third one is the destination of our output file. So let's start from this one. So this is the load path of the Excel file where I store all the grid information. So we can open this file first, which is in my local drive. New folder, grid info. So here I have 8 longitudinal grid and 4 transverse grid. These two represents the coordination of the two endpoints of the grid. And then we can close this file. And then go back to our Grasshopper file. And then we hit true to start the run. And then it runs successfully. Then we can go to this output file location, which is also in this new folder. We can take a look at the frames that we have. So as we can see from this Rhino, we can see the model has been successfully built in Rhino. And then we can go back to this Excel. So all the frame information is stored in this Excel file. It has the index name, the section, the release, the start points and end points of the frames. And then we can close this Excel file. So in order to connect the Grasshopper with Etabs, we can have this file open. We can open the plugin test, which is also in my report, the Grasshopper folder. So this one is the location, the path where I have all the frames information. and this is the model name of the Etabs, and this is the file path of the Etabs model. Okay, first close this one, and then we can hit run. So first, it shows that the Excel file, the AA Excel file is open and close, and then the Etabs is open, and then it's closed, which means the model has been built successfully in Etabs. And then we can go to the location where we have that Etabs model, which is in this second try. So we can see this Etabs API examples has just been created. So we can take a look at this Etabs model. So the component currently can only work for Etabs 17, but it's also easy to add the Etabs 18 reference to the Visual Studio to make it also work for Etabs 18. So let's open the Etabs file we just have. And then let's open this 3D view. So this is the same model as we have in the Rhino. But instead of like rebuild the same model again in Etabs with the help of that component, we can easily use the API of Etabs to create the model from Rhino, which can save us a lot of time. I think this is all I have for this video, and thank you for listening.